I like being with you. I like being with you. Do you want to stay with me? Do you want to stay with me? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? I enjoy talking to you. I enjoy talking to you. I think I told you that before. I think I told you that before. Why did you say that? Why did you say that? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? How do you feel about this? How do you feel about this? Did you see what happened? Did you see what happened? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? She doesn't understand me. She doesn't understand me. He always does that. He always does that. They are waiting for us. They are waiting for us. We should talk about this. We should talk about this. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. Why are you ignoring me? Why are you ignoring me? How did you know that? How did you know that? Are you coming or not? Are you coming or not? Did he call you? Did he call you? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. You look different today. You look different today. She told me everything. She told me everything. He doesn't care anymore. He doesn't care anymore. We can fix this together. We can fix this together. Why is this happening now? Why is this happening now? How can I trust you again? How can I trust you again? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Did they agree with you? Did they agree with you? Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? I feel better when I'm with you. I feel better when I'm with you. You make things easier. You make things easier. She looks really happy. She looks really happy. He needs some time alone. He needs some time alone. We don't have much time. We don't have much time. Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. You should listen carefully. You should listen carefully. She wants to talk to you. She wants to talk to you. He made the same mistake again. He made the same mistake again. We need to be honest. We need to be honest. Why are you acting like this? Why are you acting like this? How did this start? How did this start? Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? Who told you that? Who told you that? I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. You don't need to explain everything. You don't need to explain everything. She doesn't want to lose you. She doesn't want to lose you. He is trying to change. He is trying to change. We will figure it out. We will figure it out. Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? How do you deal with this? How do you deal with this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Did you hear that noise? Did you hear that noise? When will you tell me the truth? When will you tell me the truth? I need to clear my mind. I need to clear my mind. I need to clear my mind.